see the time? I just woke up and I'm supposed to be leaving the house in less than 20 minutes. And I need to tell you guys where I'm going. Let me first of all make my bed. Making a bed has to be the simplest thing that one can do when they wake up. Tell me why I'm coming to your house and I find your bed is not made. So let me catch you up. Guys, I'm going to the prison. I'm going to Nenda prison. Okay, how do I phrase this in the UK like it's on a good note? Nenda jela. No, I'm not guilty. I did not do anything bad. No. No. I mean, I'm going to visit the prison with my school. Yeah, I think that's the right way to phrase it. I don't know what to wear, but I think I have to do a video on TikTok because I have a shoot to I have something to advertise. And I don't know how to incorporate it in my videos, so I have to do like a get ready with me so that I mention it in there and I'll have paid my debts. I think that's what I'm gonna do because right now it's 9:03. Okay, wait, which clothes am I wearing? I think we can do an official pant. I don't know. Let me come back. Okay, so I need to catch you up here. For starters, this is where we are. Okay, and this is the surroundings. Nimewekwa hapo down kidogo. And niliacha. We were supposed to go with my friends. Oh, okay, so this is what happened. Sijatengeneza nywele, guys. Nikae ni wa brief. So, my friends, we were supposed to kuenda na nini ya shule. And my friends washafika. Mimi nilichelewa. Why? Because yesterday night tulikuwa tumesema hata sitaenda. And then asubuhi nikaambiwa yo come, kiti yako itaenda bure nini. Okay, so I tried my best but niliachwa. So from here I'm gonna go to the gate, and then after that I'm gonna go somewhere from where they are. From the gate to where they are, I also have to walk, and it's a long distance. But I wanna see it, and I also wanna show you guys like around. Like people are just looking at me, feeling myself. But you guys are watching me on TV, so I don't care. A win is a win, right? Haki nywele yangu inakaa weird. Tutaka tutengeneze nywele tena, si ndio? Yeah, so I'm just seated. Watching the road. Wow, washafika. I think let me now go. Let me go. The outfit of the day. This is the outfit of the day. You guys can't even see me. Nitaonyesha vizuri, but inakaa hivyo. Yeah. Acha nifike kwa gate. I'll be showing you around. Let's go visit the prison. But you guys, you should be responsible human beings so that you don't end up here and you play msiekelewe, because some of people who are here, I don't think they deserve to be here. It's just hakuna justice. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say that, but some people just get unlucky and they find themselves here. So I can't judge anyone, but take care, pray every day. Yeah, see you around. There are some good apartments here. They look so nice. Look. Yeah. Okay. We move on regardless. Swiftly. Moving on swiftly. This environment is giving me like home country. The place is there. The environment is so calm. I think I need a microphone for such vlogs, because it's so It's so noisy, but the environment is so calm. I love it. Unasikia mpaka birds. Listen. Sa issue ni bikes ziko na kelele. But listen. So calm. Huku ndo tuko sasa. Una mpaka my entrance na give ghetto like the moss. I don't know why. Mbona ushago kuna kwanga na moss? Am I the only one who sees that? Listen to the birds. I need to one day go bird watching. Is there any bird watching places in Kenya? I need to go do that. Na hema kidogo nifike. Oh, and is that it? I think that is it. The green thing, the yellow green thing. Is it? Like up there? I don't know. I think this is it. I did not record much nikiingia cause I'm not sure if I'm supposed to record or not. Just for eti kureduce ile nini yenye unashindanga ukiambiwa, oh you should not record, oh you should not do that, oh you should not do this, do that. Nah. So I've been told I'm gonna walk straight down. I think we're going to the juvenile. I believe so. And they have a field. They have a field, guys. And who are these kids? And they have a hospital too. They have a hospital. Okay. This is interesting. Watch the kids play. Okay. Interesting. I love adventures. I so love adventures. This is the road to the... Let me go to that side so that I capture it well. Guy, no photography. Protected area. And I'm shooting myself. I'm a photography, like photo, not videography. Like, you know, there's a difference. Yo! Alafu nipatikane niekwe juvenile. Hapana, niko over 18. So standard juvenile. Wow. It looks like. Guy, am I supposed to post this thing? Kama una watch video na bado haijaenda viral, please just tell me to take it down before nikujiwe nirudishe kwenye nimekuja kutengeneza video. But before I post nitakuwa nime search. Yo, mimi sijui kama mtu yo. But I love you.
Buzz! Nilipatikana na polisi nikirekodi akaniambia hiyo footage futa, otherwise utaingia huko ndani. So mimi ni nani? I'm such an obedient person. Guys, I'm sorry, I don't have the footage, I deleted it.
Actually, we're not supposed to.
Kamiti Prison. Lakini msibaki.
Yeah.
Mkasa kwa mgani?
Kwangu. Niliachwa.
Wewe ulikuwa unapigana huko?
So guys, I'm not supposed to record anything from in here or else nitabaki huko ndani. So tutawapatia ka story baadaye. This is Lavender and this is Winnie. 3, 2, 1.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I got a roll with.
We're supposed to leave our phones and our bags and then see you around. So at the end of it all, these are the people that we were with here too. They're taking photos. We weren't allowed to go inside. So I don't know how, guys, you're gonna know, but these people, they're so nini.
Oh no, forgot what I wanted to say again.
There they are. These kids, they're so gentle.
Yes, I got my track of thought back.
Like they know how to dance. It was actually so fun. I can't like say every single thing, but it was actually so fun. So I don't know how, guys, I'm gonna show you this video. But niliambiwa kuna part nilikuwa na record after I entered, nikaambiwa nifute, so I had to like futa. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. Bye. Maybe I try talking to people, they tell you hi.
YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want a couple of people to say their experience visiting the Kamiti. So, tunaanza na nani? Kimberly, what do you have to say about your visit today?
Okay, I can say this visit really opened my eyes and showed a side of empathy I didn't really know I had.
Oh, that's nice. Next.
It was a good visit, though I was scared at first when I went to that side of the boys. But I came out stronger, so it was nice.
It was eye-opening, it was educative, it was interactive. They are reformers, we are reformers.
Yay!
It was a fun experience. We got to dance, show our moves, so I'm really happy.
It was nice meeting new people, showing love because they are.
So actually I've learned a lot of things and it was fun, especially matters concerning law. At least nimeiva.
I know.
Venye nilikuwa nimeiva kidogo. Okay, hi, my name is Emma and I've learned that freedom is a privilege and we should not take it for granted.
For real.
Hi, my name is Bana and what I've learned is that you don't know the value of something till you lose it.
For real.
Hi, I've learned that no matter the environment you are in, you have to change your mindset for the growth. Yeah.
Hi.
And I have learned that Kamiti is not as you think. These are people just like you and me.
Hi, I'm Susie. I have learned from this visit that when life gives you lemons, you make a lemonade.
Yay. Lavi, anything? No problem. Hi.
I've learned that they are part of us as a society and we should only encourage them and give them hope.
Guys, I have learned that usifanye makosa huku ni kubaya.
Nishikieni niwaambie mi what I've learned. Guys, tafuteni pesa. Tafuteni pesa. Tusome, like people that are either illiterate, poor and mentally unstable, most ndo wanakaa hapa ndani. So guys, na pia please don't commit crime. That's all. See you in the next one. Bye. My ride back home is here. Tunaenda na lofa, si ndio? Well, hi. Mimi nataka kuteta. If you have a bad comment, why are you commenting? Why are you chatting? Why are you channeling all your energy to commenting? Just leave.